$142. That's what our seniors are paying in taxes every month anyway.
Oh, okay. Did y'all take that to Lansing?
The Lansing? I don't think I can.
Oh, is some on the ballot? You know the vote is coming out November 4th.
Well, yeah, that would be the election to replace Rick Snyder. Because if we can do that, then we won't have to pay the straight pension tax. Does that make sense?
Hey, do you know you're in Merch Snyder's office?
Yes, exactly. No, it's $142. That pays for taxes for me.
Okay.
But I did want to thank you for your
Yeah, I'm
cooperation.
just a senior, so y'all got brochures and stuff.
Well, actually, we have, I don't have a thing like the brochure, but we're the Mission People's Campaign.
Okay.
I like us on Facebook.
Okay.
I like us on Twitter, and get all the information.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
What is Michigan?
Mission People's Campaign.
.org or
Well, there's Facebook. And
oh, Facebook. Yeah,
we don't have our proper website.
oh, okay.
And thank you for your cooperation. And
What's your name?
my name's Eric.
Eric?
Eric Shaw.
Okay.
Jenner.
Nice to meet you. Okay.
And
My
your name?
pleasure.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you for your time. God bless you too.
Is that cool? Is it like X-ray?
It's lime Kool-Aid. That's all it is. Ladies and gentlemen, the Snyder campaign, as they operate